Hey, so I am just about to turn in, but I've been preparing for this workshop tomorrow. It's on apologetics, how to answer questions about the Christian faith, and this is what I have. The big question is, how can I be loving and faithful in answering my friends' questions? So loving and faithful, loving towards your friends, faithful towards God. And so I give just some examples of how this is done really well. This is an example from an Instagram page. They do this question and answer session every week, and you get really interesting questions. How do I know I'm relying on God's strength, not my own? Is it biblical to play among us? That kind of thing. So lots of very honest questions and very biblical answers. And the point is to show that getting questions is a good thing. It's an opportunity to speak about the gospel, but also to build friendships. So it's a good thing to get questions from your friends about your faith. And then we're going to look at the Bible, at how Jesus answers questions. Now, of course, we're not Jesus, but there are some good principles here whereby Jesus is dealing with the questioner, not just the question, but his responses, you can see, deal with the person who's asking the question. And even Jesus points them towards God for the full answer for the gospel. So that's something that we could do ourselves in answering our friends' questions. And then we're going to break into groups. We're going to deal with some common questions. You have an opportunity to add a few of your own as well. But with each of these questions, we just want to break them down. Where is the question coming from? If he's asking about suffering, is this person suffering themselves? But also, how can I point them towards the ultimate answer in God? Not in me, not in my wisdom, but in the Bible, in the gospel, that kind of thing. And finally, just to end with some encouragement from the Bible. Here, the Bible encourages us to be prepared to give that answer, but also to do it with a kind of gentleness and respect. Here, the Bible encourages us to comfort others with the comfort that we ourselves have received. So God equips us with that comfort, and it overflows to the people around us. Very helpful during times of suffering. But finally, not to worry. When you're faced with that tough situation and you don't know what to say, God will help you by His Holy Spirit. Well, that's what I have in preparation for tomorrow. I hope it's helpful. I hope it's encouraging. I hope it bears fruit.